going?
So what happened here?
Well, Jackson came by with a baseball bat. And he destroyed every single one of these little free libraries.
Not true.
And not true.
Fake news.
No, we don't know who did it, but someone came by and we had built these 10 awesome little free libraries. And someone, no names mentioned, came by and broke a majority of them. So now look at all these people that came out to come help and make a difference. So yeah, I love people.
So we're just putting some little libraries back up and replacing the books that were damaged, correct?
That's what we're doing. Yeah, and not only that, we had a ton of people who dropped by with new books to donate to. Reach a Child, Eric with Reach a Child right there. That guy, he just dropped off like 500 brand new books for the kids to use too. We got about 100 Spanish language books from him too, which is awesome.